Hello everyone, how you all doing? So you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. You will surely be blessed in this channel. So in this channel, I talk about spiritual tips that will help your life in different ways. So all the ingredients I use in this channel are purely natural. There's no side effect, like no fetish attached to it. So in today's video, you will learn how to make your enemies to run far from you. They will never come back anymore. So this is what you should do to make it come to pass. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly do so. Hit the red subscribe button so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. So I'll be telling you how you can make use of lemon with this. Yes, lemon juice. You have to make use of fresh lemon like this. Do not make use of lemon juice like the one from already squeezed one. No, you have to make use of a fresh unsqueezed one like this. So when you get it, you have to get cinnamon powder. These two are going to help so much to keep your enemies far from you. They will never remember you anymore. If they have any evil thing they have done against you already, they will go far to losing it and set you free. So you have to continue watching to know how to use these two for best results. You know, most times you may be laughing and shining your teeth with some friends, thinking they are actually your friends. They are not. They may not, let me put it like that. They may not be your true friends. They may be backstabbers. Backstabbers are dangerous. That is why we are doing this video today, to be able to separate yourself from them spiritually. So after this work, they will start running far from you. They will just be running away from you. Even when you are coming close to them, they will be running far. They will never come near you anymore. So what you do is to get lemon. It can be any kind of lemon, green type of lemon. So here in Africa, this is the type I got. This is a foreign, we call it foreign lemon, because the ones we have here are green and, you know, somehow local. Most of them, they don't have water in it. So just make sure you get the one that has water, okay? So you have to cut it into two. Use a knife to cut it into two. That is why I said you should not get the one that is in a can, because you have to cut it the right way. You just have to follow on with the steps. This is a spiritual work. So when you cut it open, it will not be two halves, okay? It will be two halves. Then you now open your cinnamon. Make sure you use the powdered cinnamon, because they have the stick cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice and it smells amazingly. This has lots of spiritual benefits, okay? So you have to sprinkle, just add few of it on the one part of the lemon. Just, you know, add some, just drop some quantity of cinnamon on the one half. After doing so, you know, you have to just spread it all over on the half of the lemon. Then you have to rub it on your palm, your inner palm like this. Use the lemon to rub. You know, as it rubs, you know, the water will be coming out from it, and the cinnamon. Rub on your palm as well, the other palm. Rub it all over. After rubbing it, you'll be saying, any unfriendly friends, any friend around me that is hurting me, that is afflicting me with any problems, that is a backstabber, that person not know any peace until he release me, until he return what is mine, until he run far from me or come back and confess. May that person lose his memory or her memory, that he will forget about me. He will not be thinking about me to hurt me anymore. Be rubbing it like this. Rub it. Continue rubbing it, okay? Lemon here you are seeing has lots of spiritual benefits. You just have to know that, because it's not only for consumption. This goes a long way. Almost all natural ingredients has strong spiritual benefits, so you don't have to joke with it. So the next thing you have to do is to use the other half. Do not repeat the first half. After making use of the first one, you trash it out. The other half, you have to bring it add another cinnamon on it, a fresh one. Then you rub it on your feet, your foot. Okay, just on the under and the top. Apply it like that. Use the lemon to rub on your feet. Okay, you repeat it on the other one like that. Rub it very well. So this is a very powerful message. It will send a far message to your enemies wherever they are. Be it a known enemy, distant, close, any kind of enemy, far unfriendly friends, anywhere they are. This will go a long way. These two scents amazingly. The smells are amazing. The way they smell, it travels. In a spiritual realm, it travels far to deliver your message. So as you are rubbing the palm, the one in your palm, you're rubbing it, you have to be saying what you want. Then as you are rubbing on your feet, okay, you have to be praying and saying whatever thing you want. You don't have to mention the person's name. You have to mention your name. You say, I release myself from every evil plans of the evil ones. Anywhere they are holding me, anything they are doing, let them release me. May they not have any peace until they release me. May my enemies run far from me and never remember me again. After doing this work, you see what will happen. They may come with trouble, they may come with fights. You just have to beware, okay? Beware of this. They may come with trouble, they may come fighting you, they may come in different forms. Even in dreams, they may attack you, but you have to be strong and ready for them. So do this and say your wishes and utter some prayers for protection, and no harm will come your way by the grace of God. You have to repeat this for 3 days. Do it on the first day. It may be in the morning or night, anytime. It may be in the afternoon. But make sure you are in a closed room or where people will not distract you. Why I always say nobody should distract you, because you have to put your mind in it. Okay, you have to communicate between, this is a spiritual work. You don't need any distraction. You have to stay in a place that nobody will distract you or distract your attention. So you have to do it the first day without distraction, the second day without distraction, the third day without distraction, and you see what will happen. You just see what happens. Even in dream, you see so many things. God will surely fight your battle for you. And you have to do this for 3 days to see a powerful result. So that is all for now. Remain blessed and safe. I love you. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. I'll see you next time.